That's Ace. Go Ace, go. There he goes. Don't go swimming though, it's cold. Well, sometimes All Trails lies to you and get back on that puker. And I hope I don't puke. I love taking extra steps for no reason. Where in the woods I go, I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? All right, check this out. Hey there and good morning everyone. This is Randy and I'm back with another episode of Old Guy Hikes. And today is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. And I'm once again in the North Woods near Duluth, Minnesota, actually in Duluth, Minnesota today. I am starting at Spririt Mountain. I am continuing my footsteps on the Superior hiking trail today. Yesterday I hiked, which was last week's video, from the southern terminus up to Jay Cooke State Park. In previous times I've hiked all the way from Jay Cooke State Park on different occasions to Spririt Mountain. And so today I'm continuing my footpaths from Spririt Mountain on up into Duluth. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to go to today, how far, but that's the plan, to get 6, 7, 8 miles in, something like that, and continue on the Superior hiking trail. Thanks for coming along. I appreciate having you. This is a little bit confusing here because there's a lot of trails in this area, so I really got to pay attention to where I'm going, make sure I'm in the right area, because ski trails, hiking trails, biking trails, a lot of it right in this area. And it's gonna be a beautiful day. It's cold, it's about 40 degrees, super windy. Here's the bottom of a ski run right there. All right, cool. Glad to have you along. Let's check it out. I'm glad that's the only snow I've seen so far. That's Ace. Go Ace, go. What was that? That's
This is Lily.
That's Lily.
Yes. I'm Mary.
Hi Mary. And what's your?
Lori.
Hi Lori. Have fun, Ace.
Hi.
Y'all have a good hike.
Thank you.
You better stay with your moms. You better stay with your mom, Ace. I'm not your guy. I'm not your guy, man. There he goes. Beautiful little creek running through there. I think we'll basically follow this creek all the way up the hill. Oh, this is beautiful through here. You better stay with your mom back there, Ace. This is a real nice hike so far. Nice and rocky and sort of rugged, but not too rugged. Ooh, little. You getting you a drink? Get you a drink. Don't go swimming though, it's cold. Oh, it's just beautiful. Gorgeous little creek. Nice. All right, continuing on. Well, sometimes all trails lies to you, and sometimes the trail markers lie to you. I just climbed this hill with about 6 switchbacks from where it said Puker down there, which didn't sound like a very fun trail to take to me, but that was the trail I guess I was supposed to take. I climbed this hill with all these switchbacks, got to the top, looked at my map, and I was completely going in the wrong direction. So I don't know why that said Superior Hiking Trail main trail up this hill, unless it's just the wrong direction, going back the other way, going south. But I got to go back down this hill with these switchbacks and get back on that Puker. And I hope I don't puke. Looked like it was pretty straight and even, but anyway, that's where I was supposed to go. So here we go, back down the hill. Okay, well that wasn't right either. Here we go. I didn't see this on the bridge, so this is the direction I need to go, across the bridge. Gosh dang it. I love taking extra steps for no reason. And then we got trail under construction, but it looks like they got some blue blazes down this road here. All right, so came down this little bit of gravel off to the right over here. I see more blazes. So now we're just on the other side of the creek. So we climbed the hill, crossed the creek, and now we go back down the hill. That is the epitome of pointless up and down, but that's okay. The whole idea of hiking is fairly pointless, just out walking in the woods. So where in the woods I go, I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? And I get to walk along this stream, which is beautiful. Nice view of the St. Louis River estuary. This is a really pretty woods in here. It's got some bike trails that wind through it. Following it. This would be a pleasant little spot in the summertime. All right. With the cedar trees and the water rushing, that'd be a nice little spot to hang out when it's hot in the summer. Wow, that was a beautiful waterfall creek area. Definitely a highlight of this section of the trail so far. But Not sure what comes next. I'm about 4 miles in. I'm getting close to where it passes under Interstate 35 and kind of enters Duluth proper. Man, the wind is getting strong. I'm getting out of the trees and it's really getting strong. Oh, there's a good view of West Duluth over into Superior, Wisconsin. More decent views of the St. Louis estuary. Back into the trees. It's nice in the trees with the wind being blocked. I'm actually sweating when I'm in the trees. Once you get out of the trees and the wind starts hitting you, it is a blast of cold air. Tree violin. Under some big power lines and we're right at the interstate here. It looks like we're gonna go right up and under the bridge. Yep, we're gonna go under the bridge here and I can see it going up into the woods on the other side. Alright, so as soon as we crossed under the woods and got into the, or crossed under the bridge and got into the woods again, we're immediately kind of in some residential area. Right across where it says Traverse Duluth, and there's a power pole to the right of that. There's the marking of the trail. So the trail goes right past an equipment rental place. Not sure if they have any resupply options in there for you if you're through hiking, but it'd be something to check out. Okay, looks like we go down here, go back into the woods. All right, under the bridge. Heading on up, I think this might be Brewer Park. Doesn't say anything anywhere, but pretty sure I'm close to or entering Brewer Park. We're just walking right up this little cut valley thing, right up towards some waterfalls up there. Just gorgeous. This is definitely the rockiest and most treacherous part of the trail I've done in the last 2 days, but it's not terrible. Just some rocks to get around. Ooh, that's very pretty. Look at that, straight up that draw is just beautiful. There's some kind of an old foundation of something. Some kind of a structure. Hard to say what it was. All right, check this out. Nice. Thanks for watching today. I would definitely give this a 3 out of 5 on my Old Guy Hikes difficulty rating. It is gorgeous. Duluth is a treasure trove of hiking, waterfalls, streams. It's just gorgeous here. If you've never been to the Duluth, Minnesota area, highly recommend it. So thanks for watching today. I hope to catch you out on the trail. Come back next week. I will have more of the Spririt hiking trail, I believe, as long as the rest of the week goes as planned. Thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the trail sometime. Bye-bye. That's Ace. Go Ace, go. There he goes.